Hi everyone, my name is Preacher. I'm your typical daily hacking boy. So welcome to my channel. Here I break down hacks, simple hacks, hard, complex. I break it down. I give you tutorial step by step how they work, installation, hacks, Kali Linux, all everything about cybersecurity. That's what I am dealing with now. So today in this video, we'll be talking about Kali Linux. How to I'm going to show you guys how to install or run Kali Linux from a bootable hard drive with persistence. Okay, so in this tutorial we don't need much. Just what we need is a laptop, a PC, a flash drive, 16 gig or 32 gig and above. What I'm dealing with now is 32 gig. So shall we let's go. So without any further ado, let's go. But before I start, I'll tell you why I'm doing it. I'm putting Kali Linux in flash drive instead of doing it through VirtualBox or my due, like slashing my SSD into two and putting it. While not slashing my SSD, I'm putting Kali this side and Windows. I tried it once and it nearly corrupt Windows because Windows is my main OS. So I say okay, instead of and I start using VirtualBox to boot to run Kali Linux. But at some point I can't do monitor mode. I can't enter monitor mode. So now with this flash drive now, with bootable flash drive, you can actually run it and you can actually enter monitor mode. So let's go. And we need a bootable Rufus. We need Rufus to combine it together. That's an app to combine. So let's go. Let's start. No time. So we'll go to Chrome and go to Kali www.kali.org. Okay, the official website to download Kali Linux. Okay, so you hit here, get Kali. All these ones is not what we need right now. We don't need them. So we'll scroll down to live boot. This is what we are looking for. So before you see three here ISO torrent and everything. Everything we don't need it. Torrent we don't actually need, but it's ISO. But now we can't actually download the ISO. Why? Because it's inside the torrent file. So we have to download the torrent, then extract it using another app. So that's why this one is 2026 model. The rest are old ones. You can't actually see this nowhere. This is the first one. So just click it and automatically to start downloading. Okay, yeah. The main file is supposed to be 4.5 gig, but here it's saying 398 gigabytes. Why? Because this is the torrent file. What you are looking for is the ISO folder, which is file, sorry, ISO file. So now we'll go and download a tool called cubic tolerance. That's what we use in extracting this file. Let's go there. So you go to your browser, then search qubit. It's already there. Then hit enter. Why we are downloading this is because we want to use it and to extract the ISO file from that file, from the torrent file we just download to get our Kali Linux bootable live boot. So you hit the first one. If you're using Mac, you download the Mac on board. If you're using Linux, download Linux, but I'm using Windows. So you hit this button here. Easy as ABCD. Sharp sharp to load and to start downloading. Install it, walk you through step by step. Everything. No need to rush. Small small. We'll get there. So now while it's downloading, let's just rush and download Rufus because that's what I'm using. I recommend it because it's best and fast, reliable. Let's go. Rufus. The other qubit is downloading. Let's download Rufus too. So everything must be sharp sharp. The first link Rufus create bootable USB drive the easy way. Scroll down. This is how it will look after downloading when you are running it. Scroll down. You look for your own. As for me, I'm using 64 bits, and you look for the latest version, which is 4.13, which is the first one. You hit it, automatically start downloading again, and it's done. So we have our qubit and Rufus. So let's start. So let's install qubit first of all, so that we can extract the file, the ISO file from it. Just bear with me. This is my first video. First, okay, here's it now. You say yes, security prompt. Normally your own will be black, or but this my own is arctic because I made it so you can see everything. We say yes, give it administrative power. Yes. If you have any English, if you have any other language you speak, but me I speak English. Although the English is not correct. So we go through everything. Just next, sharp. I want it to be create a desktop shortcut from so I can actually run everything. So where you want to place it, then install. It won't even waste time when it gets to certain place to fire down. Fire down. I've not actually made a video before. This is my first time. I just actually okay. What made me make this video is because after my system nearly crashed, I worked on that. I will do that in my next video. How I survived. I saved my system from crashing. So why I'm doing this is because I enter online and every other person running put this thing is just like okay 2 years ago, 1 year ago, no 2026 and the new model. So that's why I just challenge myself to run it myself. So don't launch the app, don't launch it, we don't need it. Finish. So now go to your download, look for the file we download, this Kali Linux 2025.4 live AMD 64 torrent. You open it to show you this or your own version of Windows. So if you don't have this qubit torrent, we can't open this file. You get it's supposed to be 4.5 gig or 5 gig. That's how big it is. That's why I asked you guys to get 16 gig or 32 gig, 16 gig and above. Because of the persistence we're going to do, that's why I say 16 gig. So I can give it. So let's go on the way I'll be explaining. Double click. Okay. Look at it. You see this prompt. Normally it will go to the download folder, but I don't want it to go there. I want to see my file live. So I'll give it another permission, another location to store the file in this list. Let's go. Select the folder, and without much, we are supposed to be seeing okay at downside. This is the cause of it. Okay, so you hit OK, and automatically it will start downloading. You can actually see it's moving, and moving. So, but in this process, I will skip here to a point where it has already finished. But first, I'll show you where I give the permission, the place I placed it so I to download. Let's go. That first in time, list the folder. Double click, and there's it. If you check, if you just hit it, you see 0 bytes. Look at it, 0 byte. That means it's extracting. When it's done extracting, the end point you see ISO file. You get nice 0 bytes. So small, gradually it will get to 4.96 gig or 5 gig depending on the size it's downloading. Look at it. Just don't touch it. Make sure it's downloading. You have proper internet connection within an hour, maybe 30 minutes. depending on how your speed is. So we'll get there. So in our next place, I'll show you it's already downloaded and we'll continue. Shall we get there? Okay, so guys, we are back. So is ready. Now let's go back to our normal look at the file. If you hit it, is 4.96 gig. I told you guys, I told you. So now in case you might be asking, what if, okay, I've been saying persistence since you don't actually know. Maybe many of you don't actually know what I was saying. Is it persistence means normal if you run Kali on a bootable drive and you remove your flash drive, automatically everything you have been doing since will wipe off. That's how it is. But with persistence, you create a storage inside your flash drive, bootable flash drive, so that everything you'll be doing, anything will be stay saved inside. You get, that's what we are using. That's why I'm doing it with persistence, so that when you remove it, anywhere you take it to, you still put all everything you have been doing since, everything you have been working with will still be in there. You feel me? I'm here for you, typical hacking boy, you know. So now, in case of any disaster, like someone mistakenly pulled it out while you're working, or something happened to the flash drive anyhow while you're working with it in your PC, I assure you, it will also happen to your own hard drive in your system. It will not affect it, it will not corrupt your system, your Windows, nothing. Everything will happen here. This that will damage here. You get, that's why I love this. Is it will not touch your SSD. Everything will happen here. That's why I'm using this, so that anything I'm doing, because I'm hacking daily hacking and try hack me. So I don't want them to do damage. Any tool I've been downloading since to damage my system. That's why I'm using bootable. So let's go. Now it's ready. Let's put in the flash drive. Shall we? No time to waste. Look at it. Sharp sharp. Empty as AB. So now let's go to our downloads. But first of all, I want to show you the flash drive is empty. It's supposed to be 32. They cheated me. But anyhow, I don't know why. But I'll find out later, because I love finding out things, why things work. So now is 28. So now let's go to download. Look at our Rufus. Just double click and make sure you put your flash drive first before going to run Rufus. You get, there's a reason why site can't dictate your flash drive ASAP. Okay, this might not pop up on your own because I turned it off. So I turned it off. So you can be seeing everything live. You get, so this is the main screen, the main page you see. So now it has detected my flash drive. Told you. So now look at it. Make sure it's on select. Select. So hit the select. Go to that folder you saved. Go to this folder you saved. Go to the folder you saved, so I'm repeating it, the ISO file, which is 4.5 gig. So let's go. Okay, light is okay. So you click and you open. Bam. So now under leave everything the way it is. Mostly for HP users, leave everything the way it is. Now the persistence, how many of the ticks you wanna give, like how many storage inside the flash drive do you want to give to Kali? You get. So in this point, let's go. 22. I'll just leave 18. Because you can take it to, oh, but I just leave 18 for just the video sake, for the slab sake. You understand? I already have my flash drive. This is just for the lab. Let's go. Everything is the way it is. Don't touch anything. You can actually change the name if you want, but for me, sake of this lab, I'll leave it like that. Let's go. Now you see this ready, and you start. Warning: all data on drive will be wiped out. Yeah, that's true. It will wipe everything clean. This modern format, it will wipe everything. So fire down. I'm giving him the key. Fire down. Wipe, wipe, wipe. So now for this one, here's it. This formatting now, actually, you can actually see it. You can just go out, take some coffee, take some coffee. But for me, as the day is going now, two biscuits. Since I don't have coffee, I don't drink coffee. I'm agile. Coffee are for, I don't know. So, as I was saying before, not damage. You can easily enter monitor mode fast. So for my next, it will reach 100% and it's done already. Make sure you're there. Because last time I did this thing was I came back and the thing was still showing me ready and start. Why? Because it is done already, like it has already been English has finished the booting and everything. So just close and take your flash drive out. So the next one I'll be showing you will not be like this. This is screen record. The next one I'll be using my phone to video my system so you see everything. Because I'll be starting it and running it live. So this next process now, you remove it quietly, remove the flash drive, eject it safely, then shut down your system. Don't restart, shut it down. You get shut it down. Oh. Then after shutting down, you restart. For some users, you hit F9. For some users, you hit F9. For some users, you hit escape. But for HP users, F9. Sharp, sharp. As you hit F9, start going. So I can't wait for this. You understand? I'll just fast forward, then take you to this where, like, I'll start videoing for my phone now. By then it's done. You understand? So I'll just show you where I'm putting it. Make sure you insert it properly. I'll show you everything. Let's go. So guys, here's it. So now you shut down. Make sure you close everything that is running. Shut down. It's already done. So we shut down every goddamn thing. We don't need anything again. We just need to like put. So make sure it's completely shut down. You see it? It's shutting down. Make sure it's completely done off. Shut it down. Okay, so when it's completely off, you insert the flash drive. Then put it on back. First of all, press escape repeatedly, then press F9. I'll do it here in real life. So let's go. Okay, it's now off now. So insert the flash drive. Sorry about my setup. It's just my first video. So turn on the PC. Escape repeatedly. I'm still hitting escape repeatedly. Look at it, escape. Why is putting on? So entering setup menu. So now you hit F9, which is boot menu. F9. Now you look for something called UEFI. That's where your USB flash drive is. This one, the second one here, the second one. Then you hit it. Make sure it's your flash drive name you see there before hitting it. Are you seeing it? So Now since we don't want to install, we just want to run it, so hit live system and not install. Don't start installator, start live system. So we hit enter. Simple as that. No biggie, no jagaja, just carry on. So guys, I'm learning cybersecurity, so I'm into tech. My field is red teaming, ethical hacking, penetration testing, vulnerability scanning. So that's what I deal on. So I'm still learning, but in the process I'll be taking you guys on things I've learned, some expos and every other thing. So we'll just have fun in the page, but the page is all about hacking, cybersecurity stuff, how things work, how to bypass things, installation, and some random hacks. So let's go there. So give it time, it's coming up. This is live from the USB. It's not touching your SSD. Oh, USB SSD. So I like to load, to take a little time, just little, to fire down. Make sure you see this dragon. If you don't see the dragon, oh, so you guys might be asking, what's the password and password? Oh, no worry. The default password for Kali, anywhere you go, is Kali. Default username is Kali. So make sure you know it. So it's coming up. It's really coming up. And guys, I'm using, what's it called, Wi-Fi adapter. I don't have Wi-Fi adapter. That's why I'm using USB. Using the Wi-Fi in my system. So now it's fully functioning now. Let's go. So guys, let me bring it closer so you see what's happening. Let's enter our, but first of all, let's confirm everything is working. Everything is working. We'll go to our terminal. First of all, we'll connect our Wi-Fi to show we can really connect. We go to available network. My own is Godfather. You click it, then you put the password. For this I'm not gonna show you guys the password. So I'll just quickly hit it. And automatically we are connected to the internet. You can see it here. We are connected to the internet. So go to your terminal. Everything is there. And before you go to your terminal, your desktop, you see this 500 something here. You can see it. Let me come closer. This thing here, 500. Don't mind it. This is just your typical hard disk showing that, look at me, oh, but it's not touching anything there. It's just showing you have this kind of amount of volume, but it's not touching it. It's just only touching the 32 gig, 16 gig, and the flash drive you are using. So now you can typically run all your commands. ls, before you run via ls to see your folders, pwd where you are. See many other commands. So without making this video more longer, just check if the internet is working. So enter your web browser, which is Firefox for Kali. So it's typically working. Look at, it's typically working. So you hit, let's check my favorite fish, and it's shiny, pure white, instant. So here you go guys, it's functioning. And if you want to go out, just hit the switch off logout icon there. You do shut down, and after it's fully shut down, take off your USB and on your system back without typing anything, and you automatically be logged into Windows. And that's for it guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. This is my first video, and I promise you guys, as time goes on, I'll get better in editing and all the rest, and we'll move on, and I'll be giving you guys tutorials. Thank you guys.